Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how the quick boarding feature simplifies and streamlines the application process for the merchants. You'll learn how merchants can easily complete and submit their applications directly through the portal, providing a seamless and efficient onboarding experience. Let's get started. Open the quick boarding portal, and on the home page, you'll notice two links. The first is for new merchants to apply and submit their applications. The second, labeled Returning Applicants, is for merchants who were disconnected during the application process due to network issues or other factors. Returning merchants can click this link to be directed back to the exact page where they left off. Now let's walk through how new merchants can fill out and submit their applications using quick boarding. By clicking on Apply Here, new merchants are directed to the application page, where they can begin the process of submitting their applications. To get started, merchants will need to provide some essential information. This includes their name, email address, mobile number, legal business name, and average monthly processing volume. Once all required details have been entered and the terms and conditions have been reviewed and accepted, simply click Continue to proceed. After clicking Continue, the next step is to click on Send OTP. An OTP, one-time password, will then be sent to the email address provided by the merchant. The merchants will then be prompted to enter the OTP sent to their email or phone number. Once the OTP is entered and confirmed, they will be directed to the next page of the application. On this page, merchants will be required to provide additional business details, including their business address, city, zip code, ownership type, business category, tax ID, and the start date of their business. After filling in the required details, merchants can click Next to proceed to the next section. Alternatively, they have the option to save their progress and continue later by selecting the Return to Application option from the home page. The Save and Continue option is available as shown on your screen. In this section of the application, merchants will need to complete the business owner profile, providing details such as their name, email address, date of birth, mobile number, zip code, and social security number, SSN. Under the Owner Information section, merchants will need to provide their bank details, including the routing number, account number, and bank name. The bank name will be automatically populated based on the routing number entered. Once the owner and bank information has been entered, the merchants can click the Next button to proceed to the next section of the application. In this section, the merchants can choose the equipment or terminal that best suits their business needs. Once the merchants select their preferred terminal or equipment, they can seamlessly choose from the available pricing models that best suit their business needs. These options are thoughtfully provided to ensure convenience and flexibility, enabling merchants to make informed decisions effortlessly. In this section, the merchants can easily upload the necessary documents to complete their application. These include a valid driver's license and a voided check. Additionally, the section features DocuSign integration. By clicking Sign with DocuSign, merchants can generate an online application for seamless e-signature, streamlining the process efficiently. An e-sign application is generated, allowing the merchants to conveniently complete their e-signature process as demonstrated on your screen. Once the e-sign process is completed, the merchants must proceed with the IBV, Identity Verification Check, as shown on your screen. By reviewing the information and confirming the terms, merchants can successfully complete the IBV check. By agreeing to the terms for IBV verification, the merchants enter their details to authorize and complete the IBV process. After the merchants enter and confirm their details, the IBV check is successfully completed and a confirmation message is displayed. Once the IBV process and DocuSign e-signatures are completed, the merchants can click Submit to finalize and submit their applications. After successfully submitting their application, the merchants receive a notification confirming that their application has been submitted, as shown on the screen. We hope this video provided a clear explanation of how the merchants can submit their applications using the quick boarding portal. Thank you for watching.